Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can download DaVinci Resolve 20 on PC or laptop. It will be a step-by-step video for you guys. So DaVinci is a great platform with video editing. So we are going to download it for our device. So I will search it DaVinci here, DaVinci video editor download, and here you just need to go this one and you will get the Softonic. So you just need to go over here, or you can go with that platform. I will go with the Blackmagic design. So let's click this one, this link. Once I click over here, then it will redirect me to here, and here you can easily download it for the DaVinci Resolve free download, or you can download the studio also. So the DaVinci Resolve is the world's only solution that combines editing, color correcting, visual effects, motions, graphics, and audio post-production all in one software tool. So you just need to click over here, and here from that place you just need to choose your ones. Like if you are using the Windows, you can go with the Windows ARM or Windows x86, or if you are using on Mac, you can go with this platform. There is two options we have. One is the DaVinci 20, always most popular solution for editing, and another one is the DaVinci Resolve Studio. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, it will take a couple of minutes. You just need to fulfill all the things and then just restore your things, and then you can easily download it. This is the easiest process. I hope you understand how easy the process was to download this DaVinci Resolve for your device. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.